Welcome to the Weiser Halo Touch Video Installation Guide. This guide will get you up and running with your new Halo Touch Fingerprint Smart Lock in no time. This guide covers everything you need to know, from the parts to the installation proper, and the reference guide. Please note the numbered boxes 1 through 5 in your Halo Touch box. These numbers have the parts and represent the steps to install specific items. Let's begin. These are what you will find in your box. Each step number is clearly marked on the individual box. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver to install. There won't be any need for an electric drill. You will need to remove the existing deadbolt on your door before installing it. If drilling a new door, use the supplied template and instructions available at weiserlock.com/doorprep. 1. Install the latch. Use box 1 for the parts needed for this process. A. To install the latch, extend the latch bolt. B. Note that up must be on top. C. If the D-shaped hole is not centered in the door hole, rotate the latch face to extend the latch. You will have 2 extra screws. Use them if the holes are worn out. If your door requires a drive-in latch, please contact Weiser at 1-800-501-9471. 2. Install the strike. Use box 2 for the parts needed for this process. To install the strike, put the longer screws closest to the door jamb. Three. Install the exterior assembly. Use box 3 for the parts needed for this process. A. To install the exterior assembly, make sure that the cable goes under the latch. B. Route the cable through the center hole. Then push into the bottom hole. Next, tighten the screws evenly. Be careful not to over-tighten it. C. Afterward, insert the key and test the latch. If the latch does not extend or retract smoothly, adjust the screws. 4. Install the interior assembly. To install the interior assembly, remove the interior cover from the interior assembly. A. Make sure that the turnpiece shaft is pointing up as shown. B. If the turnpiece shaft is not pointing up, put the cover back on and rotate the turnpiece. It's okay to hear a clicking sound when rotating the turnpiece. C. Connect the cable and ensure a tight cable connection. D. Lay the cable flat inside the bottom of the interior housing. E. Ensure that the spindle fully engages with the turnpiece shaft. Secure the interior assembly onto the mounting plate. Five. Perform the door handing process. Use box 5 for the parts needed for this process. To perform the door handing process, secure and install 4 AA batteries into the battery pack. The latch will retract and extend to learn the orientation of the door. The status LED will indicate success or failure. A green status LED indicates the successful installation of the smart lock. A status LED of red is an unsuccessful installation. Make sure that the lock interior and batteries are correctly installed. If your second attempt is still unsuccessful, visit our support center at www.weiserlock.com/halo-touch. You may need to rotate the turnpiece to align with the turnpiece shaft. Secure the interior cover onto the interior assembly. For additional security, you may choose to lock the window by installing the security screw. When the window is locked, you will need to remove the entire cover to access the battery pack and buttons. Have control from anywhere by downloading the app on the App Store or Google Play. You may refer to the setup instructions in the Weiser app to create your account. Safety guidelines. To lock your door, place any finger on the fingerprint sensor. The light part will display the following animations: beep once, and the door will lock. To unlock your door, place your enrolled finger on the fingerprint sensor. The light bar will display the following animations: beep once, and the door will unlock. The Halo Touch exterior and interior at a glance. If you have any issues, you may visit our support center at www.weiserlock.com/halo-touch or call us at 1-800-501-9471.